From Eyewitness News, this is a live Pinpoint Doppler 12 weather alert.
All right, a lot to get to in this weather forecast. We have rain, some of it heavy today, and then some snow and wind tomorrow morning, only to see potentially round 2 of snow on Monday. Let's start with the rain first. This is live Pinpoint Doppler 12. You can see most of it is at light to moderate rates, a heavier band right now here towards New Bedford. This will continue to push to the northeast. And as we pan down to the south, actually, we're going to go hour by hour in the Futurecast. I want to show you how I believe the heaviest doses of rain will be felt from about 9 o'clock in the morning just through lunchtime into the early afternoon. You can see that represented by these bands of yellow. And by the time we get deeper into the afternoon, I can't even rule out a potential quick thunderstorm, especially areas north and west of Providence. But I do think by the evening, 7 p.m., even if we do get a downpour or a thunderstorm, the frequency of the showers will be much, much less. In fact, overnight we'll get a little bit of a gap, a break in the precipitation, and then we'll see the rain and the snow arriving very early tomorrow morning. You can see 3 o'clock in the morning, not a lot going on, but quickly here comes the snow, starting potentially as some rain along the south coast, and then all snow, some of it very heavy between about 5 Sunday morning all the way through 9 o'clock Sunday morning. We're talking about the potential for some thunder snow and very gusty winds. Thunder snow occurs, of course, when you get lightning along with snow falling. And sometimes you can get some very heavy snowfall rates. In fact, you almost always do when you have thunder and snow going on at the same time. So during our show tomorrow, which hopefully you're watching, that's when things will be rather wild outside, I believe. But things improve rapidly in terms of the snow. By lunchtime, it's gone. Now, we still have the wind, but in terms of snowfall accumulations, which I'll discuss in just a few minutes, it won't be a big deal once we get into the afternoon because most of it will be gone. We'll show you what we're expecting in just a minute. In the meantime, a high wind watch for our viewing area. This starts late tonight and goes all the way through Sunday afternoon. This is not in effect for today. In fact, today, not really that windy unless you happen to get trapped under a gusty thunderstorm. So a high wind watch means the potential of gusts between 40 and 60 miles an hour. Again, that would be overnight through Sunday. So power outages could be an issue, especially out towards eastern Massachusetts and Cape Cod, where we could see some hurricane force wind gusts. The Sunday snow bursts, thinking about a coating up to an inch, mostly on the grassy surfaces. So when it's coming down, during the event, it's a big deal. You may want to stay off the roads, but you get an hour or two past the event, the snow really isn't that much of a big deal because it's gone. Round 2, some snow mixed with rain likely. We could see a little accumulation with that, although those surface temperatures may be borderline more similar to Sunday morning. It just doesn't pile up all that much. Coleman, Smithfield, 3 miles an hour for a wind in Providence, 3 miles an hour in Newport. So like I said, the winds for today, not that big a deal. Mid-40s to low 50s right now. We're going to stay with these temperatures pretty much for the duration of today because of the clouds and the showers kind of capping our temperatures. You could see the cloudy scene from Narragansett. Here's another cloudy scene, this one from the hurricane barrier with some of those late showers. Today into tomorrow morning, we have you in the medium category because of the rain today and then the snow tomorrow morning. I wanted to show you something on the satellite picture. Notice the red and yellow showing up here towards New Jersey. This is some of that energy which will intensify our rainfall at times from the late morning into the afternoon. So lunchtime likely to see a few downpours and heavy bands of rain around. Then overnight through tomorrow morning, this is what it will look like with the snow coming down. A few heavy bursts are possible. So again, we urge you to watch tomorrow morning as we'll be tracking all the snow on the radar and with our live cameras. 7-day Futurecast brings in a rain-snow mix on Monday. Now, I do think it's a slow start on Monday, so very early in the morning, perhaps a rain or a snow shower, and then rain at the coast with some snow inland during the afternoon. Mostly snow by Monday night. Stay tuned for details on accumulations. Right now, this is not expected to be a big snowmaker either, but we need to look at more data. TJ will have an update on that later on this evening, and of course, we'll be updating things online throughout the day. We keep it chilly on Tuesday as well. You can always get an updated Futurecast over on our website at WPRI.com.
Now,